horse 6. See, look at the mower here. His mane, he's just bleeding all that energy off.
Yeah.
That's what wears your sails out.
It's hanging tight on that gut.
I saw that. 216, check it in.
I'll give you a speed ticket.
Check it in, sir.
Yep.
We'll see you next week. We're going down the other end of the way. We had to figure out how to get turned around. We need to pay. I didn't bring my watch.
I got mine.
You gonna sign it?
Yeah.
I like to have it so I can look at it.
I'll rattle it off every 15 seconds.
It's going to be kind of probably hectic on the line. We're going to just try to do whatever we can.
So I'm guessing we start down there.
Look at this wind behind us. Look at that wind. Look. How fast we going? Can you see it?
6 knots.
That's not much speed. When we go around this mark, we're going to kind of bear off to the left.
Okay.
And then we'll tack and go back across. Everything's going to be done slow, Bill. I ain't going to try to do anything.
I'm good.
Just mentally be prepared to know we're going to be heeling over. And
Reckon letting out the head sail would help?
yeah, let's go ahead and put work. When you get to the point, release it. So you know how to do it. You go ahead and let it out. That'll give us some stability.
that neither. But this wind I don't hear well.